How to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra / S26 Plus, S26, custom MP3. If you want to change the ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26, or set a custom song or MP3 as your ringtone, you can easily do it in the built-in settings. Here's how to change or add a custom ringtone on the Galaxy S26 series. Bell change default ringtone. First, open Settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. Then tap Ringtone. Here you'll see Samsung's default ringtone categories, including Galaxy tones and other built-in sounds. You can select any of these to change your ringtone. Musical note: set a custom ringtone, MP3 or song. If you want to use a downloaded song or audio file, tap the ++ icon in the top right corner. You'll now see audio sources like tracks, albums, artists, and folders. To use a downloaded file, tap Folders. Go to Downloads, or wherever your audio file is saved. Select the MP3 or audio file you want. Tap Done in the top right corner. Your selected audio will be added and automatically set as your ringtone. That's it. You've successfully set a custom ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26 running One UI 8.5 or later.